4.6 is here. Let's go. All right. Stanton, I want to try somewhere else now. Pyro. What the? Nix? Nothing. Stanton? Lorville. Is anyone else having this issue? Huh. Interesting. Anyways, it is what it is. I'll do Lorville. And, you know, it took me almost an hour just get into the main lobby here after updating the game, which is crazy. And now, seriously, and now I gotta wait a little bit longer. You're in queue. 151. Oh, I hate waiting.
2,000 years later.
All right, after some time, we finally get into the loading screen. We'll see you in the game when it happens. All right, we are in the game. Let's get up. And as usual, don't see anything for the tutorial. Okay, let's just double check everything, make sure that we have everything. And where's all my stuff? Okay. Okay. Server's really slow. It's a lot of people, I guess. Let's go ahead and change. Why is this not letting me dump my stuff in here? What's going on? What the heck? How am I almost 1,000% over? What's going on here? Okay, contracts. Let's see for the tutorial. No, nothing. Oh, this is nuts. Okay. Let's go check to see if we have our ships. At what? Where's this? I don't remember seeing this. And do what? What? Oh wait, this is. Oh, okay. I know where that is. That's actually really cool. I've never been in that room, and it came out straight to where the pool table is. That's actually pretty cool. All right. A little bit of hiccuping here. Server's probably overloaded. Everyone's just jumping on, checking out 4.6, but that's okay. Yeah, let's go ahead. Start the game, or get into the elevator. The game's already started. Let's head down to lobby, and I'll meet you over at the ASOP terminals. All right, so just arriving to the ASOP terminals. For the most part, server's been doing pretty good. So let's go ahead. Let's check our money. 2.3k. Yep. So didn't lose any money. Looks like we have all our stuff. Just, I don't know what's going on with that inventory count. It's weird. Let's see what else we got. We have... Okay, check the main ships. Okay, Reclaimer. Yes. Check. Hercules. Check. Max. Check. 400. Check. And then there's the Zeus, which is my paid ship. Okay. Looks like we have all the ships. Alright, next thing to do is... Ooh, check out this new area. Kelto area. For North America, it's like a 7-Eleven type of thing. You can get snacks, food, get a whole bunch of stuff, which is pretty good. You come in here, you're thirsty, you're hungry, you can grab a Snickers bar or grab some food. Apparently you can also grab fuses. And also these canisters. That's friggin' awesome. Med pens and 4 tablets, computers. Nice. All right, let's see what else we can get in here. Go into the computer. Is this a server thing, or is this the store not completely open yet? Hello. Oh, okay. It's a server thing. That's fine. All right. Yeah. Get your drinks, pops, cans, heals, oxygen pens. Nice. All right. I want to go check out, see some new ships, see what ships are in the game. I think might do that another time. There's a lineup. All right. Let's head over to the hangar and check out this new feature called L.A.M.P. I'm really excited for that. All right. Doing a little bit of research. These 3 ships are the easiest ones that I can put in my hangar that have this feature, L.A.M.P, L-A-M-P. So basically what it is when you're flying at nighttime or in a low light situation, you can go ahead, activate this feature, and it will make things look bright, which I'm kind of excited for. So first ship that I'm going to test this in is going to be the Gladius. It's a nice looking ship. Alright, to activate the feature, you're going to press right Alt and the L button. See what happens. Oh, that is so freaking cool. Don't advise this. I do not advise turning this on in a very lit area because this is going to be bright, but that's freaking cool. That's really cool. Oh, that's even cooler. Okay, that was awesome. Okay, question is, can people from the outside see in... No. Okay, cool. So they can't see it when it's on. That's good. All right. Next ship to try out is the Hornet Mark 1. It's one of the OG ships. I still like it. And this is the Super Hornet, by the way. Okay, so left Alt L. Sorry, right Alt L. My bad. Hey, there's a different color to it. The other one in the Gladius was more of a blue. This one has a bit of a green tint to it. I wonder if this is manufacturer color to it. Interesting. I think it might be. All right, let's see from the outside. Why am I able to see it from the outside on the Hornet, but the Gladius I cannot see? Is it because I'm able to see that surface of the window from the inside? And the Gladius is like a round dome, but this one has flat surfaces and you can see it through the other panes. I wonder, or if it's a glitch. I don't know. Alright, let's check out the Vulture. This is an awesome starter scraping ship. Alright, right Alt plus L. Oh, that's cool. It's yellow, orange. Yeah, so this is a definite manufacturer color thing going on here. Scheme. That's pretty freaking cool though. It's gonna help. This is gonna help a lot. That's so cool. I just can't get over this. This is awesome. Alright, so yeah. I think it has to do with being able to see the surface of the window or the pane of the glass. So Vulture has that same thing, so does the... Okay. Alright, now time to test it in the real world. Taking the Gladius out for a spin out into space. Leaving Lorville. That looks so cool. Alright, we are here in space and look at that. That is Kate. You know what? That is friggin' awesome. The low light situation with the clouds and the space gas and yeah. That's so friggin' cool. Alright, let's head over to a planet or to a moon. We're here on the dark side of the moon and yeah, let's figure this out. What the heck is that lighting? Okay, the red light there is new. What's going on? Oh, it's because of the canopy, the way it's a bubble, and it's distorting the... Okay, that's distorting the reflection. That's cool. Alright, pay attention, Tim. Don't belly flop into the ground. Okay, here we go. Okay, so traditional pinging is what I used to do, and I used to ping a lot. The one down thing about pinging is it picks up everything, including like little bits and pieces. But this now, we can just worry about the visuals. This is freaking cool. You can see so well. It was literally pitch black when coming in here. And with this lamp feature, this is cool. What's going on with the texture? Okay, that's weird. And it's still happening. Is this a glitch or is it my graphic settings? Okay, let's try changing graphic settings. Here we go. Textures. Let's put this on medium. Okay, and then detail texture. Let's put that on medium. Did my game freeze? No. Okay. And let's see how that turned out. Okay, it's just graphic settings. It wasn't a glitch in the game. That's freaking cool. Like, you can see so well now. It's definitely going to help you fly. Yeah. Definitely going to help you with the flying. This is friggin' oh, nope. Definitely not going to help you make a better better pilot. Let's pretend that never happened. All right. Lamp is really... Oh, my goodness. I'm missing a wing. And I'm trying to fly this thing. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell. Until the next time, everybody. We'll see you next time in the verse.